Hey friends! Are you looking to transform your vehicle's look with vibrant colors and amazing scanning effects that turn heads everywhere? In this video, we're taking a look at the best car exterior LED light kits in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the LD Dark Eagle Car LED Light. This high-performance rock light kit is an absolute game-changer for off-road enthusiasts who demand both rugged durability and spectacular visual effects for their trucks or ATVs. Each individual pod is equipped with 16 high-intensity SMD 5050 chips, producing an incredibly wide and vibrant illumination range that makes nighttime trail riding safer and more stylish. You have total creative control via a smartphone app or two different remote options, allowing you to choose from 16 million colors and 29 dynamic modes. We particularly love the unique segmented jumping modes and the simulated police light patterns, which are perfect for show events or off-road meets. Built with a premium ABS housing and a verified IP68 waterproof rating, these lights are engineered to survive mud, water, and heavy vibration for over 50,000 hours. The package even includes heat shrink connectors and fuses to ensure your installation is professional, secure, and ready to handle the toughest adventures you can find. Next up, our second product, the OPT7 Car LED Light. For those who refuse to compromise on brightness and build quality, this Underglow bar kit offers a heavy-duty aluminum casing that is far superior to standard plastic alternatives. It features a massive total of 252 3-in-1 RGB chips distributed across 4 movable bars, providing an exceptionally uniform glow that wraps your vehicle in brilliant, saturated light. The system includes a sophisticated sound-active mode that syncs your lighting to the beat of your music, creating a mobile party atmosphere wherever you go. One of the most innovative features is the exclusive door assist function, which automatically triggers a bright white light whenever a door is opened for added safety. This kit is designed to withstand extreme winter snow and summer mud, protected by an inline fuse harness that connects directly to your battery without any risk of electrical overdraw. Backed by US-based customer support and a solid warranty, it remains a top-tier choice for drivers who want a professional, high-performance lighting setup. Coming in at number 3, the Goo Dream Car LED Light. This versatile 6-strip underglow system provides a comprehensive lighting wrap for your vehicle's chassis, delivering vivid RGB colors that make your car appear to float on a cloud of light. Using high-brightness SMD 5050 chips, the kit offers 16 million color combinations and multiple timing or music sync modes controlled directly through a user-friendly smartphone application. A standout safety feature integrated into this specific model is the turn signal functionality, which flashes yellow to clearly indicate your movements to other drivers on the road. It is built to fit nearly any 12V vehicle, from Jeeps to ATVs, and features a robust IP68 waterproof protection layer to guard against road spray and rain. The installation is straightforward thanks to the strong pre-applied adhesive and included cable ties that ensure the strips stay mounted even during high-speed highway driving. This kit not only enhances your night driving visibility but also provides a striking, personalized touch that sets your vehicle apart from every other car in the parking lot. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the YM eBright Car LED Light. If you want to add a futuristic touch to your vehicle's front end, this dynamic scan startup hood strip is the sleekest functional upgrade currently available on the market. Measuring 70 inches in length, this flexible silicone strip runs a mesmerizing scanning pattern every time you start your engine before settling into a constant, brilliant glow. This effect significantly improves your vehicle's visibility to oncoming traffic and pedestrians, effectively serving as an extra layer of safety during foggy or low-light driving conditions. The strip is cuttable at marked intervals and can bend easily to follow the contours of your grille, hood, or even your license plate area for a custom fit. With 16 million colors to choose from, you can perfectly match the lighting to your car's factory paint or your personal interior ambient lighting setup. The heavy-duty nano tape makes the installation a simple DIY project that requires no drilling, allowing you to enjoy a high-end, waterproof lighting transition in just a matter of minutes. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Glowlendra Car LED Light. This CT Capatronics Underglow kit is specifically engineered to provide an ultra-bright and interactive display using anti-static SMD 5050 LED chips for maximum reliability and longevity. The two-line design simplifies the wiring process while ensuring consistent light distribution across the sides, front, and rear of your car, SUV, or even your motorcycle. By using the Lotus Lantern app, you can unlock a world of customization including sound-responsive modes that react to the rhythm of your favorite songs or your own voice. The kit is designed with energy efficiency in mind, generating very low heat during its 30,000-hour lifespan, which helps protect your vehicle's electrical system while providing long-lasting performance. Safety is further enhanced by built-in fuses that protect against short circuits, while the strong acrylic adhesive and zip ties keep the flexible strips firmly in place through all weather. With an 18-month warranty included, this kit delivers a perfect blend of modern style, high-tech features, and the peace of mind that every automotive enthusiast looks for. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.